You guys ever wonder how this car behaves in really, really cold weather, like -20 Fahrenheit outside? Well, actually, I've been driving for about 15 minutes. Temperature of the engine is still at the bottom, hasn't moved yet. First, when I started the car, the engine ran fine, but on the first gear change, it actually bogged down a little bit. Hasn't happened since. I just assumed the oil in the transmission was a little stiff, thick. But in a second, I'll show you what happens when you give it a little gas and it's this cold outside. So I drove to work today in the morning with -20 degrees. Slightly warmer right now, probably -15. Let's see if the car starts. Was not happy to start, but it does run. It's -14 degrees outside right now. A little chilly. Let's see what it sounds like outside. Sounds alright. Now that the car has run for a couple of minutes, let's see how it's gonna drive. And it's stalled. Alright. Try again. Okay. Definitely not a fan of the coldest V8. Put it in drive again. Shaking a little bit. I think this time it actually adjusted the idle. Definitely not smooth. Slow gear changes. Not exactly sure what gear we're in, but it doesn't really shift past that gear. Okay, there we go, it shifted.